All right, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We're in an awesome new listing here, right down the street from the office off Lake Underhill Road. We're in the Deerwood community. We just sold a house over here recently, and so it's a very hot area because it's well located in East Orlando, kind of in the middle between Waterford and the AdventHealth East Hospital. Valencia Community College East Campus is right around the corner. Major expressways 408 and 417 are literally right here. But this house is nestled down actually the main boulevard on Deerwood, and you'll see that here. We have over a quarter-acre corner lot, a very nicely upgraded pool that you'll see. It's a 3-2, almost 2,000 square feet, plenty to offer, really cool. Let's go check it out. All right, so right when we enter the home, we have a lot of really cool features like I mentioned. So we have kind of a wraparound double access here with the garage, laundry, and then we have this beautiful staircase leading up to the loft, which is actually bonus size. We have a lot of space up there and even some fun toys up there that you'll see in person in the showing, also the photos right now. And then behind we have the 3 bedrooms, the full master suite off to the rear of the home with rear view access. And then we have the front 2 bedrooms here as well. Various upgrades in the bathrooms, the bedrooms, you'll see that in the photos there as well. And then we walk into the living room. We have a beautiful, cozy, especially this time of year, Franklin stove. So real wood burning stove fireplace, fully functional. As you can see, the nice open atrium ceilings here, and kind of a combo between the living and dining room area, very open floor plan as well, and plenty of lighting with the backyard, which we'll see in a moment. And we'll go this way to the kitchen. And so now you can see the beautiful bay windows here overlooking the side street. Again, huge driveway, you're gonna see all that in the photos. Expansive garage as well, but plenty of lighting, upgraded windows as well. All those details are mentioned in the MLS description, of course. But then we open up here. It's actually a good sized kitchen with plenty of additional cabinet space. It's a nice wood natural feel on the cabinets that are, great if you want to keep them this way, or super easy to paint, the trendy white nowadays, but they're in great condition just the way they stand. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, upgraded backsplash, and so lots to offer here. The ceiling was raised, since the 70s, so a lot of different upgrades in this house. It's really, really cool. You got to feel it in person. So let's go check out the back. All right, so welcome to the relatively new pool deck. This was actually added just a few years ago, so out here it really feels like a new house. Plenty of yard space still, in addition to this massive pool deck, which is very nice. You can actually even park a vehicle here, boat, RV, extra vehicle, no HOA, right? And so now we come here with the beautiful pavers, the gorgeous pool, lots of space, plenty of covered deck space as well. And then still more backyard on this side. If you got pets, it's gonna be amazing. If you got kids, it's a great fully fenced yard already. The shed stays, an extra access door there from the master bathroom, so you can see lots has been done. There's even more potential as well. So you gotta come check it out in person here. Again, this is 433 South Deerwood Avenue here in beautiful Orlando, East Orlando. My name is Phil Colbridge here, TopOrlandoHomes.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you here soon.